Yo, good morning, DGens. What's going on? All right, let's have a morning look at JASMY. Down 3% on the morning, down one spot in rank to 87. Still has an over $1 billion market cap, 1.04 billion, so that's good. 158.39 million in volume. Right now, 2 cents 156. Got as high as 2 cents 222 earlier this morning. So very, very interesting there. Up 5% on the week, 9.6 on the month. Not too bad. More consolidation, guys. Let's go have a look at the chart, see what she's telling us. See what she has to say. So yeah, just a whole bunch of sideways action, but we're continuing, guys, to set this, you know, set this these higher lows here every single day. Right? We're just continuing along this trend line here. Now, I would like to see, like I've showed you here, guys, I got the Golden Cross already mapped out here. We're only, I don't know, a few days away from that, a week at best, from the Golden Cross happening. A breakout is imminent, guys. I mean, it is what it is, right? The charts do not lie. Ping pong between the 200-day and the 100-day SMA. We're about to get that Golden Cross. We're going to break to the upside here, guys. Like I said, this is the golden pocket. I think we will likely do a little bit of consolidation in there after we finally break out of this. Little pit stop and then continue up to 4 cents 4. That's going to be a pretty big level of resistance as a local high. So that's what we're going to have to contend with, guys. But this breakout is coming, just like we've been seeing with Algorand and XRP and all these other projects. The melt up phase is coming for JASMY, just a matter of time. Patience is a virtue, guys. And if we go have a look over at Bitcoin, we have officially broken above with the candle body above resistance at 91,800. Yeah, 91,800. We're above that right now. We're at 92,079. I'm hoping we can close this daily candle above there, but we've still got about 5.5 hours, 6.5 hours to go at the time of recording before this candle closes. So a lot could happen before then, but I'm hoping we can close above there. If we do, then I'm thinking we can make our way up to this 94, 95K level before finding a level of resistance again. I know it's not a massive jump, but it's enough. It is enough for me. So we're going to keep on top of that as well, guys. Perfect respect for this symmetrical triangle that we had laid out here. And now further continuation to the upside. Let's freaking go. We've just kind of been stalled out. The market's been kind of stalled out for about a week, right? And I will take stalled out over dumping any day of the week, right? A little bit of consolidation, reload, refresh. We got the RSI. I mean, it's still kind of high, 77.20, but I showed you guys on the breakout after the election in 2020 that the RSI was over 80 and it still decided to go parabolic. So nothing to worry about there too much. Let's get into a little bit of JASMY news here, guys. All right, so NeoSun says, always go beyond what is understandable. The JASMY team has always emphasized its concern for the Web3 world. Even before blockchain became popular, it's worth noting that in 2004, Sony and Panasonic joined forces to explore the domain through United Systems Design Co. Ltd. At that time, all of JASMY's current executives were still working at Sony. So Sato, Ando, and so on, right? Today, every initiative and project launched by JASMY reflects their unwavering desire to redefine the digital world, all while maintaining the utmost silence and discretion. It's up to you to make up your own opinion. So, guys, you have to understand when it comes to these guys, they come from TradFi, traditional stocks, running companies like Sony and Panasonic. They're not used to just giving out information to the public, right? They're used to NDAs and stuff like that. So that plays a pretty big factor. Moving over to this, guys, talking about cloud AI and edge AI. So JASMY uses cloud AI and edge AI to meet the modern challenge, an innovative hybrid system. First, cloud AI. In this case, Junction, which is their layer 2, right, allows for processing of massive data volume with near unlimited computing power. And the reason for this, guys, is they need to have the ability to do that, process massive amounts of data, because partnerships with companies like Panasonic, every single device that Panasonic has, every single IoT device that they manufacture is going to be transmitting data back to Junction, and Junction has to be able to process and securely store said data, right? So thanks to Junction, JASMY can centralize the learning of complex artificial intelligence models, analyze global trends, and train systems capable of continuous improvement. This choice addresses scalability and collaboration needs. For example, with the Panasonic partnership, which I just touched on, JASMY, through Junction, will optimize the management of millions of connected devices, generating insights on a large scale for industrial and consumer applications. Junction will also manage entire data ecosystems, providing tailor-made solutions for industries, mobility, and much more. Next, we talk about Edge AI. So Edge AI operates directly on individual devices, like your phone, your tablet, stuff like that, where the data is produced. Unlike the cloud, Edge AI limits reliance on centralized infrastructures by processing information locally. This reduces latency, improves responsiveness, and most importantly, ensures better privacy. This is a crucial approach for JASMY's personal data locker, where each person must remain the owner of their data while benefiting from highly personalized AI applications without massive transfers to remote servers. By combining cloud AI and edge AI, JASMY orchestrates an unprecedented balance between power and protection. On one hand, the ability to exploit massive data at a global scale, and the other enhances sovereignty at the individual level. This hybrid approach is the key to meeting modern challenges, offering advanced services while respecting the ethics of data sovereignty, which I absolutely agree with, guys. Absolutely. So that's just the difference between cloud AI and edge AI, right? So cloud AI, big Junction data storage, right? Edge AI, data being processed through your individual IoT devices and being kept safe and secure, like your smartwatch, your smartphone, your tablets, your car, whatever, your TV, your smart home, right? Individual on an individual level. So big scale, small scale is basically it, working in tandem to make your data secure from companies like Meta and Google, for them making a fortune off of your day-to-day life. You should be making that money, not them. Now, guys, click the like, click the subscribe button. Now, guys, if you want help, I get asked all the time, how do you find all this research? How do you do this research? I can help you with that, guys. I can help you with that. We've also been helping our Patreon members with how to be proactive in terms of avoiding problems with your banks when it comes to offloading your fiat money from your crypto exchange back to your account. There's been many cases of banks freezing accounts as a result. This is something you need to be aware of and something you need to be proactive about. And we can show you, we did a video yesterday over on the Patreon explaining exactly how you can go about working with your bank to avoid these problems, because there's nothing worse than making life-changing wealth and then moving it to your bank account and having your bank say it's red flagged and freezing your account and making you jump through years of legal loopholes to get your money, right? So we can help you figure that out, guys. We can help you avoid that problem. Also, we help with compounding gains. We help with portfolio structure. Make sure your portfolio is maximized for ROI. We help out with passive income, operating nodes, DeFi staking, everything in between, guys. And if you want to sit down, you want to have a one-on-one with me, you can schedule your one-on-ones with me. I can help you with all that stuff, creating your exit strategy, make sure you're taking your profits, making sure that your sell orders are being put in places where there's actually liquidity in the market so that they actually fill. Because yes, if you're new to crypto, if you don't know this, you can put a sell order and you can try to sell your crypto. And if there's no buy orders in the area you're trying to sell, your sell orders will not fill and you will just be stuck holding your crypto for another 4-year cycle. Okay. So avoid these problems, guys. A lot of new people that come over to the Patreon and stuff like that, they always say the same thing. I got screwed over last time. I didn't have a plan. I didn't know how to set my sell orders properly and stuff, and I got screwed. I got stuck holding my crypto for 4 more years. I'm not doing that again. That's why I'm over here on the Patreon, guys. So get over there. Do not make the same mistake many have made in the past. Join our community. We also do group Zoom calls every day. So join our group Zoom calls as well over on the Patreon. We discuss all these things and more: taxes, tax implications, all kinds of stuff, everything crypto that you need to know. You get all your questions answered. You can talk to me and the entire community in real time on the Zoom call. Yeah, we do it every single day. So if you need that kind of help, guys, join the community. We have everyone from seasoned veterans to beginners over on the Patreon. We have a wonderful community. Come and join. The link is down below in the description. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later.